Hey, what's up everybody? So today's video is I don't know, what's today's video? So I am excited because my new friends over at Sheen, or should I say She Glam, they love me so much that they decided to send me some more makeup. So today's video, we are going to be trying some more of their makeup line, their She Glam makeup line. They gave me some eyeshadow, so we're gonna do some more eyeshadow looks today. I'm gonna try to do at least one that is eyeglass friendly. As you can see, I got some new glasses, so I am pretty excited about wearing them, but I want to wear them while I have really cool eyeshadow. Because if you wear glasses like I do, most of the time whenever you have eyeshadow, you decide, I'm not gonna wear my glasses because it's going to either be hidden behind the glasses or it's just not gonna look right. It's gonna just look weird. Let's try some eyeshadow looks and hopefully at least one of them will be appropriate for the glasses. So they sent me 4 different palettes. We gotta take it out of the packaging. Oh, they like taped it in here, oh my gosh. Ooh, okay. So this palette is called Splash Bash. Splash, 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 splash. The Splash Splash. Blah, 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 splash, splash. So we're gonna open it to see what it is because I obviously can't say it. So that is really pretty. It definitely would be like mermaid colors. I don't know if it's showing up right, but that's actually more like a silver than a gold, but I don't know if it's gonna how it's gonna show up on a video. So first I'm starting with the color Quick Dip, and it's this cute little pink color. And I wasn't sure how it was gonna show up on my eyelid, but it looks just like a white. And then I use this color called Deep In, and it is like a dark green bluish color. And then I just blend that thing on out because I didn't want just a line on my lid. And then I move on to the next color, which is called Mermaid Glow, and it is the silver that I'm going to put in the center of my lids. And then I also use my finger to blend it out a little bit, which is perfectly fine. Then I move on to Sail Away, which is a deep purple. It's so pretty. And I'm going to put that on the ends of my lids and then blend that out as well. Use eyeliner, do my eyebrows, and my lashes, which I got from She Glam. And then I put that on, and then the powder, of course, to keep things in place. And then it gets everywhere, and then I spray with the setting spray. Okay, guys, so this is the finished eye look with the She Glam Splash Bash, and I used the colors Quick Dip, Mermaid Glow, Deep End, and Sail Away. And like I promised you guys, let's try it with my spectacles. So it may be hard to see. Let me take this off of the tripod just so you guys can see without the light being too much in the way. This is what it looks like with the glasses on, and it looks normal. Like, even though I had all these colors going on, you put it behind the glasses, and yes, you don't really see the purple like that, but what makes it work, any eyeshadow look with glasses, make sure that you make the colors on the inner part of your lid lighter than the parts on the end of your lid. That way you can still see your eyes and they still pop behind the glasses. Now I will try different glasses just so you can see, because these are the clear looking ones and I know that they favor your eyeshadow a lot better with these types of glasses. And as you can see, it still looks pretty decent with the glasses. Ooh, I forgot to do lipstick. Okay, the next palette is called Hello Yellow. And it looks like, basically, by what the name is, it's yellows. Like different tones of yellows. Ooh, there's a gold. There's a gold on here. That yellow though, that looks very like pop. That just pop. So the first color I'm going to be using in this palette is called Quick Chick, and so it is like a light yellow, and I'm going to put that in the inner corners of my eyelids. And then I'm moving on to Main Squeeze, and I am going to take this bright behind color and put this on the outer corners of my eyelids. And then I'm going to come in with the concealer, and I'm going to place that on top of that part of my eyelid, and then I'm placing Cleopatra on top of where I put the concealer. And then after blending that out, then I'm going to put Future You on, I don't know what part of the eyelid you call that, but I'm going to put it there. And then I grab my special eyeliner from SheGlam, and I use the stamp part to place on my wings. So this is the final look that I came up with the Hello Yellow palette. And obviously I used like all of the yellows on the palette. I used Quick Chick, Cleopatra, Main Squeeze, and Future You. So basically the first four that's up at the top, I used those, and this one's not really yellow, it's more like a silver, and that's why I added that in the little corner, give a little bright bling. But yeah, this is what I came up with. I don't think this eyeshadow look is gonna look really good with glasses. Yeah, no. So bright yellows don't really work that well with glasses, so this one not so much, but it looks good without them. So the next eye look that I'm going to do is from the Violet Vision palette from SheGlam, and I'm using frosting first, and I'm putting it on the inner corner of my eyelid. Next, I will be using Other Dimension, and it's this weird glittery, shimmery purple, and so I'm going to put that next in line on the lid. And then next I am putting on this glittery lovely thing on the end. It's called Crystal Baller, so I am putting that on the end, and I just love it, can't you tell? And then I'm moving on to Retrograde, which I'm putting on the bottom lids, and I'm moving it a little bit up on the end as well. Okay, so this is how the makeup turned out. I am super surprised by how good this turned out. I was really afraid, but I guess that the purples actually look kind of good. It definitely taps into the futuristic alien supernova girl look. So I definitely feel like this should go with some space buns or like a Princess Leia hairstyle or something like that. But I really, really love this. Like, look at the glitter. So far, this is the favorite look that I did. And as a reminder, this is the SheGlam Violet Vision palette. And my final eyeshadow look is using the Hint of Mint eyeshadow palette by SheGlam, and I am using the color Maple for the first color. So after I put that all over the lid, then I move on to Mint Chip, and I put that not exactly in the inner corner, but right next to it, and I dust off the extra bit that was on my brush so I can blend it out.
And then I move on to the color Supernova, and then I place that next to it. And then I move on to the color Extra Guac, which has a lot of glitter on it too. And so I place that on the inner corner because I want to make it be the lightest color. And then I move on to On Repeat, and I place that there. I don't know what that's called still, but I place it there. And then I add on Midnight Snack, which is like the darkest color on this palette, and I place that on top, and then I blend. So then I grab my eyeliner so then I can line the upper part of my lid, and then I grab my stamp to make it easy, and I now have a wing.
Okay, so this is the finished look, and I take back what I said. I think this is my favorite look. I love the hint of sparkle that I have in the corners, and I just love the depth of the blue on the ends. So this one is my favorite. I would say that this isn't bad. It seems like just as long as it's white and not yellow in the inner corners, it works. And I did more, like, so some of it's going above the rim. Just as long as it is a light, like more of like a white or a gray that's in the inner corners, and then the color on the outside. And maybe if you don't go over the rims, then it looks good with glasses on. Stay away from yellows. Yellows just don't work with glasses. And just as a reminder, this is the Hint of Mint palette by She Glam. So make sure you get it. Make sure you get all of the palettes that I have been trying out. You can get them for 15% off if you use my coupon code. Just use the code GabbyGoops and you can get that 15% off, girl. This is it for today's video. I really just love what She Glam is doing, what Sheen is doing with her She Glam cosmetics brand. They have really good stuff. I am currently using their foundation right now. If you haven't watched my foundation video, go back and watch it, because look at this, look at this, look at this. I'm not wearing any concealer to cover up any of my marks, any of my acne. I'm not using any of that. Can't wait to try some more things from them. Their eyeshadow is bomb, like you see today. I was using their eyeliner, bomb again. So just check out what they have on their website. Like I said, it's called She Glam. You can only get it on Sheen's website, okay? So thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a great day. All right, bye.
Yeah. Kingdom culture, yeah, I'm on that, 'cause the Lord woke me up.